I'll tell you, man, there's nothing more sexy than looking at a woman and knowing she's the mother of your children. Yeah, alright. Breeder! We got a breeder kink! Breeder.
Fucking racism never ends around here. Look at this shit. Look at this. What's wrong, boy? No, don't. Shut the fuck up. Fuck it. You can't beat them, join them.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Give me your son! Let me get a little sniff! Please, just one little sniff!
No, 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 no!
What I would give for a sniff!
We can't see each other because it's corona shit. Like, I can't. Ah, get out of my car!
No.
Get out of my car!
I want to
Get out of my car!
Not until I get a whiff! I want a fucking son!
Get out! I'm gonna get the road!
You're not gonna get the road.
I'm gonna get the road!
I've been sanitizing
I'm gonna get the road!
I have been sanitizing my balls every 10 minutes for this! We will not catch the virus!
I'd give my life on you. 'Cause you are the reason why I'm still.
I wanna punch this baby so bad. I wanna punch this fucking baby.
And trust me when I tell you that my youngest daughter doesn't fall far behind. About a year ago, she broke up with her boyfriend and she was kind of depressed. And a friend of mine happens to have a very handsome young man for a son. This friend of mine happened to post a picture of all of them doing some kind of, obstacle course run. At the end of it, they were all flexing their muscles. And I thought, well, maybe I can show my daughter this picture and she could find him attractive and get a little distracted from her breakup. So I show her the picture. And this is what that child decides to say to me. Nice muscles. But does he know how to use them, like how to choke me properly during sex?
Tucker, what are you trying to get?
Tucker!
Oh my god! Oh my, that's so big! Tucker, no! No!
Okay.
You like my glasses? Yeah. I guess you could say I'm a pretty big fan of Harry Potter. Just kidding. Rowling. I never even read Goblet of Fire.
So what's the difference between me and cancer? My stepdad didn't beat cancer.
Oh, that's fucked up.
It's always someone's stomach growling, not howling or rowling. Rowl.
Y'all will literally not shower for a week and then take a bath. What in the bath bomb? You hop in and it looks like a plague. You see your skin detaching, dissolving, disintegrating, incorporating. Chemical fusion. It is not even funny. It's not even funny. Why can I see specks of you? Help me. Why are you a bath bomb?
did you know that there's a freak maniac on the loose? He's eating babies.
What?
What am I looking at? Who is that? Do I know her? Does she go to your school? Why is her hair colored that way? Did she have a midlife crisis? Text from Plug? Giving you a cartridge after school? Honey, our printer has enough ink. I don't need you taking care of the family, honey. I've got it! I didn't even get to look.
Yo, dude, come pick up your cup. Why are you leaving stuff everywhere?
What do you mean, bro?
Your cup.
What do you mean?
Why would you leave it right
Why
there?
is it like that?
Why would you leave it there?
What the fuck?
Look. Keep going down.
You'll notice I was not here over the weekend. I think this is the part that we really need to take personal responsibility for. Saturday, I had a little low-grade fever.
Oi! Pop a perk and I black out fucking I'm blowing her back out WWE if she's fucking on me, put the pussy on SmackDown, gang, 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 gang. This ain't a trap house, I'm in a condo, you know I'm up now, I don't know how to use a computer, but trust me bitch, I keep the Mac out. Happy St. Paddy's Day.